Hey, what's up? My name is Shivam and today we are checking out the Realme Buds 2. So before getting to the video, if you want to watch this video in Hindi, you can do that from the top right corner in the info card. And if you're interested in these earbuds, then you can go to the links in the description below. But as far as today's video goes, here are the earphones itself. These are the Realme Buds 2. These are the second generation of the Realme Buds. Also, there is a wireless version of these earphones, but that's a whole separate video, I guess. But for this one, here is the packet from Amazon, and as you can see, this is not very interesting as always. So let's just quickly open this up. So here is the retail box of the Realme Buds 2 and it says feel the real bass, which we will check out in a minute. But before that, here is the image of the earbuds itself and here it says Realme. On the back, we can see some of the features that this thing has. So here is the 11.2mm bass boost driver, built-in magnets, which is cool, dual anti-twining cable and cable organizer. And down here we can see some specs of these earphones, which is the impedance of 32 ohms and frequency response of 20 Hz to 20 kHz and speaker sensitivity of 108 decibel. So only that was the stuff that we should care about. But other than that, what we should care about is the earphones itself. So let's just take them out. So here are the earphones and as you can see, they are sitting very nicely in the package, and I have to say that unboxing experience is by far the best. But below this there is a little compartment, very sweet one, where we have all the accessories of these earphones. So let's just take them out quickly. So first of all, we have extra ear tips for precise fit, which includes small, medium and large, 3 sizes. Other than that, we have a little user manual, quick start guide and how to get started. So that's that. So here are the earphones itself, and as you can see, we have a cable organizer in this, and the cable is also braided as well. But that was all the unboxing part. But now let's move to the review of these earphones and test them out in the real world and see how they perform. So first of all, let's talk about design. So from the first sight, these looks like just any other traditional earphones. With matte black color, these looks very stealthy, and with the yellow accent, this gives them a little sporty touch. Now everything is made out of plastic, but one thing you will find here is the cable is braided one, and it's also tangle free as well. So that's a good thing. But speaking of overall build quality, these are well built earphones. Some of my friends are using this with the Realme 3 Pro and they are working flawlessly. And even in terms of fitting and comfort, these are really comfortable earphones and stay in its place for the most part. Although I've seen more comfortable silicone ear tips than these, but these will get the job done. One more thing you will find here is the cable organizer that they have provided with the earphones, which is pretty handy as you can use this organizer to manage the earphones. Generally, I just keep these types of Velcro strips. This is from Basis, by the way, you can check it out, link below. But generally I just carry around these types of strips to manage the earphones or any other cables that I have in my studio or in my bedroom or anywhere. But this is good that they have included one with the earphones itself. There is one more feature I would like to add in this video about these earphones, which is the magnetic buds. These earphones also have magnetic buds, which means if you are not using the earphones, you connect both of the earbuds together to organize them onto your neck when you're not using them. Other than that, we have an inline remote with all the buttons that you will need to change the songs, play pause song, change the volume, skipping tracks, and to take calls. And along with that, we also have an inline mic, and this is how it sounds like. Now coming down to the most important part of this video, which is the sound quality itself. So now let's talk about that. So for the sound quality, the first thing I would like to address here is the bass response of these earphones, because let's be honest guys, most of you guys would like to know this first and keep the rest of the things aside. So for all those bass head people out there, you will be glad to know that these earphones has a really good bass response. You can clearly hear all the 808s, kicks, drums, bass line, and everything is very crystal clear and some of the best bass that I have ever heard in an earphones like this. So anyone who prefers a lot of bass, then you should stop watching this video right now and order it from the links down below. But if you don't like that much of a bass, then you should continue on. So for all the people who don't like to listen too much of a bass, then this is something you shouldn't consider at all, because these earphones do not have good mids and highs, and everything sounds a little muddy. Even if you are on a Realme device, you can go to the settings and change the audio settings. It will help, but these are not one of the clearest sounding earphones that I've tried. And if you're not on a Realme device, then you won't get a chance to change these settings. So they still sound very average on my Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. So overall, if I sum it up, if you only care about the 808s, kicks, bass line, then you should definitely go with these. But if you focus on more on vocals and guitar, then you should definitely avoid these. There are some more good options in this price range, like the Sennheiser CX180 and the JBL C200SI, which are my go-to recommendation for everyone. And I also made a video about it, which you can check in the top right corner in the info card as well. Either way, if you like it or not, you can check out all the links in the description if you buy one up. But there is one more thing left in this video to talk about, which is the price itself. So if you want to buy these earphones, these are available for 599 rupees. And if you want to save some cash, then you can check out the Realme Buds first version, which are pretty identical to these. There is a little design difference, but in the overall sound quality, they are pretty similar. So you will be able to save 200 rupees if you pick up the Realme Buds first version. And to be honest, that's a lot of money. You can easily burn that down in the strip club. But that's been it, guys. That was today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, just click the like button below, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet. And I'll catch you guys in the next one.